Voila.
Alright guys, so today I'm just gonna show you the super quick and easy install on the tailgate assist. This is a quick little peel back here to get all your components out. There's your shock absorber, and then here you have all your hardware, which comes with pretty much everything that you need. And then what's this? This is to protect the paint. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then there's the instruction manual right in here. So I'll get back. I'll start with the next step. First step you want to do is just loosen this bottom one off a bit, right about there, and then take this one out completely. All right. Then you're gonna grab this new bracket here, and you're going to throw it just like so. New screw into the old hole. Make sure this is all the way down, which it is. And then you're gonna need an Allen key for that. Right, so the next thing you want to do is get this guy off. You're gonna want to lift it up. It's off. All right, and then what you want to do now is take that off, that screw off, with the provided wrench here, or Allen key. Doesn't fit very well, that's for sure. Alright, so now that you get this screw off, you're going to want to place this underneath it, and then tighten it back up. They give you this clear vinyl just to protect your paint. So what you're going to want to do is they have it marked out the spots that are going to be possible problems. So you just want to place it in those areas. Doesn't have to be perfect. So there's one of the spots, and then the other spot is down. It's gonna go right here. So you're just gonna make sure you wipe it down first. And take your vinyl. I cut mine in half. You're probably gonna want to do the same thing. And what this does is it just prevents your paint from getting messed up. Alright, then now you're gonna want to pop the shock. So I'm pretty sure they just pop on. Yep, just like that. And then you pull it up. Boom, pop it in. Then grab your old cable. Lift up your bed a bit. And boom. Now I'm going to show you how it all works. You're not going to need this bolt anymore, so you can get rid of it. And then that's how it looks. That's how it looks from over here. And I'm going to show you guys how it closes.
Voila.
Super easy to install, super cheap to get, well worth it. One of the best mods you can get for your truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.